your winner take all. Away they go. Grand Affair from the outside is Haywire. Rushing up Dr. Hannibal, Gray Angel in the middle. The German Danori inside fifth. Then comes Manila's Gem. Pressure Hunter in between runners alongside his Magic Physiotherapist. Entry number 3, JST War Alert. And nearing the last 600, Haywire, Grand Affair in the inside. Dr. Hannibal is racing in third by some 2 lengths. The German, Gray Angel, Treasure Hunter as Magic. And at the last 450 meters, Haywire this time by some 2 lengths, followed by Grand Affair. Dr. Hannibal as they race the final corner. Haywire by some 2 lengths. Grand Affair Danori inside. Dr. Hannibal, the German, Manila's Magic, Treasure Hunter, Gray Angel. And nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker, Haywire by some 3 lengths. And finally, Haywire, Dr. Hannibal, the German, Treasure Hunter, close. Manila's Gem, Gray Angel for 5th and 6th position.